Thursday, April the 24th, 2025, about 11:30, 11:45, Trimble Bridge Road at the end, Georgia's WMA, the old Trimble Bridge over the Appalachian River. We're going to walk down here to the river first. Here you have an island, and the river goes around it. We have been down here when the bugs get after us. They will eat you alive. And people had a campsite here, or either a fire, and they cleaned up their mess if they had any refreshments or of anything. A lot of times people just make a terrible mess wherever they're at. We will be on the lookout for our crawly friends. It looks like there may be another island. Now upstream is the boundary between Oconee and Walton. This may be the boundary between Oconee and Morgan here. I'm not sure. Or this may be Green. I'm not sure which county we're in right here on this side. Okay, let's get through this. I don't know, but I have a feeling that is another island, a larger island, but I'm not sure. Thick and lush. I think people have told me this bridge was used until the mid to late 50s. we'll go over the log here instead of through the brush or over the twig, stick, small tree, whatever. Yeah, river's much larger over there. I guess this is about as far as we will go today. Come out of there. Come out of there with your feathers up. Feathers, fur, or whatever you have on. Whatever you're wearing. Okay, I think we will head back. I don't know that we'll go double bridges. We've got a lot to do this afternoon. I think we'll just head back to the shop and get this video uploaded. So we'll have a little bit of something for the weekend video. And it's not wanting to turn off. I think this firmware needs to be updated. I think that was a problem last time. Guess we're going to have to literally turn it off or take the battery out, one or the other.